Hey there, DIY enthusiasts!
Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on all things tools and gadgets.
Today, we're diving into the powerhouse of drills, the DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit. Now, if you're serious about your projects, whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started on your DIY journey, this kit is an absolute game-changer. Let me tell you why.
First off, let's talk power.
These tools are like the superheroes of the toolbox, packing a serious punch with their 20V max power. Whether you're sinking screws or drilling through tough materials, they handle it all effortlessly. And check this out, both tools feature brushless motors. What does that mean for you? Longer runtime, increased efficiency, and less wear and tear.
Plus, they run cooler, which is perfect for those marathon projects.
Now, let's talk comfort.
DEWALT nailed it with the ergonomics of these tools. The grip feels like it was made for your hand, even during those long hours of DIY.
And don't even get me started on how compact and lightweight they are. These bad boys slip into tight spaces like nobody's business, making overhead work and awkward angles a breeze.
But wait, there's more.
Say goodbye to dimly lit work areas. With built-in LED lights, you'll have crystal clear visibility, even in the darkest corners of your project.
And let's not forget about battery life.
The included 20V max batteries keep you going without the need for frequent recharges.
Trust me, I've tackled whole weekends of projects without swapping batteries. So, whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting,
investing in the DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit is a no-brainer. It's the dynamic duo your toolbox deserves.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
If you found this review helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.
Until next time, happy drilling!